Okay,
me
go
see
over
with
there,
my
Embryo.
face in it.
Sit down, Embryo.
No, Yoda is the tester.
No, he is. Yoda likes it. But I'm better in it. Hi guys, so today we're going to be making a Miguel mask with this. It's only $3. All we need are Sharpies and we need data hands for this. So that's why you have my dad over here. And then my mom is right over there posting the video.
Recording.
And we have little baby Yoda here.
I'll be making his
mask
Halloween
of
costume.
Miguel. It's only for my school at Redland for trick-or-treating.
So, super easy. All we need is the mask. We got it Hobby Lobby for $3.99. And then we just need a Sharpie.
Yoda said
That
hi, by
should
the
be
way.
it. This is what we're trying to make. That's Miguel from the movie Coco. And it is super simple. That's why we choose this one. Hopefully we'll find his red sweatshirt. If not, we'll just use maybe a blue. So here's Dada. Dada's gonna be doing the work. And Mama will research what she can wear. Oh, I can wear a skirt. What should I wear? I should just be Coco.
No, you're not old like Coco. Coco is old.
Dada can actually play his guitar.
Yeah, but I have that one in my pocket.
Hi, I'm the director for now. I'm gonna make a lab and then show you. It's gonna give you coins. This is a charger. There's a seat on my robot. Now
Okay. So in order for Embryo to look like Miguel, he just needed jeans and a red sweatshirt. Right there.
It went out. And no, not half.
Or what do you have? A jean?
So why? Because then nobody will notice. No,